What's up guys, Miles here with 95Mac, and if you're a fan of good ideas, consider subscribing to the channel for future content like this. Today we're going to be checking out an awesome pair of new accessories from Nomad. These are the Base 1 and Base 1 Max MagSafe chargers. The design of these chargers is more or less the main reason why you'd buy one of these. When taking a look at the base one, you've got this weighted metal chassis with a glass panel for the MagSafe charger to sit on top of. It weighs exactly 1 pound, and normally something like this might be a bit of a downgrade, especially for traveling, but it's honestly quite a plus in my opinion, because unlike Apple's MagSafe offerings, you don't have to worry about the charger being lifted with the phone when you pull it up off of the charger. That heavy weighted design allows the base one to stay completely planted when in use. As far as charging, the base one of course uses a USB-C port that allows the base one to wirelessly charge at up to 15 watt speeds. And from what I can tell, it does just that with my 13 Pro Max. This obviously isn't a budget option as far as wireless chargers go, but if you're looking for what's in my opinion the best singular MagSafe charger out there, this is definitely one you should consider. The Base 1 Max is the larger version of the Base 1 and basically Nomad's response to the Apple MagSafe Duo charger. If you saw our review of that product on the channel, you know that its folding capability allows for some convenience when traveling and charging on the go, but for $30 less than what Nomad is charging for the Base 1 Max, the build quality simply doesn't compare in my opinion. Just like the Base 1, you've got a metal chassis with a glass surface on top, and it's got a very nice feel in the hand, and you can tell that Nomad tested this charger with all versions of the iPhone 12 and 13 because it fits my 13 Pro Max perfectly when also charging my Apple Watch simultaneously. Unlike the MagSafe Duo charger from Apple, this Apple Watch charger doesn't articulate at all, and for certain charger designs this could be an issue, but since the charger here is smack dab in the middle of the chassis, that'll allow any strap you've got to comfortably rest on the Base 1 Max. The USB-C port is directly behind the MagSafe charger part of the chassis, and I find that to be a pretty nice design feature for my nightstand. Overall, the Base 1 Max is probably the most premium dual MagSafe charger I've gotten my hands on thus far, and for $30 more than the MagSafe Duo charger, I'd definitely consider this one first. It's one of those accessories that's built in a way that makes you feel like it could truly last forever. I've tested and can confirm that these chargers will pretty much work with any 30 watt or higher power adapter, but Nomad recommends picking up their new 30 watt USB-C charger to use with either the Base 1 or Base 1 Max. And in terms of size, this is definitely a nice accessory to have, as it's notably smaller than Apple's 30 watt USB-C charger. And while it's not the cheapest 30 watt solution out there, Nomad's product quality is likely to stand the test of time. And if you are already going to buy one of these chargers, I'm sure spending a little extra on one of these isn't an outrageous proposition. All these chargers are going to be under constant use by me personally, so that should tell you that I definitely recommend these chargers as products. And if you're interested in picking one or both of these up, there will be links in the description down below where you can do so. That'll also include the USB-C power adapter. Thanks to Nomad for sending these through, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for future content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.